Hi guys, this is a video for my February Dermstore BeautyFIX box, which is one of my favorite because I love my skincare. If you guys want to know what we got in here this month, and I seen a spoiler for something absolutely nuts that's supposed to be in here, so you might want to stick around and see this. It's a little bit off the wall. Yeah, so if you want to see what's going on in here, stay tuned. Sorry you guys about the wild makeup. Doing 14-day looks on Instagram for Valentine's Day. So this is one of them. And I'm doing a lot of unboxings today, so I didn't have a chance to really just wash my face off and do all my skincare because I don't just take the makeup off and not do it. Anyway, let's get into this box because I am really excited. There's something crazy in here this month from what I've seen. For those of you who don't know, Dermstore BeautyFIX is a $24.95 a month subscription that caters towards high-end skincare, but they have beauty items, makeup, hair care, all kinds of stuff. This is the reason I started being more conscious about my skin, and this box is really what got me into it and be more aware of what I'm doing to my skin, you know, just with everything outside, the makeup we put on our face, regular elements that we're around all the time. It's really important to have good skincare. So let's jump into the box. So I got the tape off. This is their standard box they send. Sometimes it's shaped differently depending on what you're getting, but it's always the same color and pattern. At least as long as I've gotten it. And I've been getting it as long as I've had this channel. Every time you open it, it'll say healthy skin and hair, begin here, up here. And then they have their card. Let me just take the card out and show you guys what it looks like. So it's like that. Dermstore has a habit of hiding things underneath of the tissue paper, so we will look at that in a second. They also have some promotion codes on the back, so you can save up to 20% off full-size items at dermstore.com using the code SELFLOVE. I will put it down below if I remember. And then the inside are all the products listed and how to use them, like a little tip. No prices though. Lately, Dermstore has been blowing my mind. Like, they blow my mind normally, but they've been going over the top and they've been having like one huge featured product in their box. And I will get to that in a second. So, but last month they gave us like a full-size Lancer hydrating oil, which was like $80-something. And there's another Lancer product in here full-size this month. And then there's this crazy product in here I will get into in a minute because it's just absolutely insane, but I'm kind of eager to show you guys and try it on Skincare Sunday. So the first thing I pull out is by MD Solar Science. It's a daily eye repair emulsion. It says your monthly challenge, tell yourself I love you every single day. And it's a little tiny one. But I've told you guys on Skincare Sunday, little ones like this usually last me a month because you don't use a lot of product. And I haven't tried this before, so that's kind of cool. The next thing I pull out is a aluminum packet, and it's by Cosrx, C-O-S-R-X. Cosrx, I don't know. It's a one-step original clear pad. It says too much chocolate, stressed about Valentine's Day, your skin might thank you with a surprise breakout. It happens a lot. Here's your secret weapon. What exactly is this? This facial toner gently wipes out excess oil and keeps the complexion clear, refined, and well balanced. And there's two pads in here. Ooh, and this is a Korean skincare company. I absolutely love Korean skincare. So, yay. I've never heard of them. But, like, I love getting new products of things I've never tried before. So, and it's Korean, that's a plus for me. This next product, I think I might even have it and I just never tried it. It's by R & Co. It's a high dive moisture and shine cream. It says you deserve at least a few great hair days this month. We've got you covered with this multi-styling product. It looks like it's a leave-in conditioner though. It says work through towel-dried hair and air dry or blow dry. Doubles as a leave-in conditioner. So it gives you some shine, moisture, and it sounds like a leave-in conditioner. I know their products are good. I'm almost certain I have this. I just haven't tried it yet because, you know, I save things for reviews. Doesn't have a safety seal on it, so I might end up reviewing it quickly because I don't want it to sit around too long. I think the other one I have does have a safety seal on it. I have to check the date though. This product is by Verso. It's a hydrating serum with niacinamide. Niacinamide? I said it right. And it looks like this. Remember what I said, you guys? I know there's a lot of small items in this box, but this would last me a month. Like, seriously. If it's not a one-time treatment and they're just spot treatments like under eye care or something, you really only need like a pea size for certain things. You have to watch my skincare Sunday routine. See my kitty right there. She's a sweetheart. Anyway, watch my skincare Sunday episodes, and I will show you guys how much product you're supposed to use for certain things, and it's really not as much as you think. So anyway, this says, show your skin some extra love and attention amid the cold, dry winter weather with this nourishing serum. This might be part of my new skincare Sunday routine. I've never tried Verso before, but this is another company that I've heard excellent things about. Let me know if you guys have heard that or tried them before. I absolutely love Smith & Colt. I have not had that many things from them, but what I have had, I love. So this is a Smith & Colt's Beeline eye pen. Came in a nice little box like this. It's full size. I believe this retailed for $22. I love the back. It says Diary of a Beauty Junkie. So it kind of like goes with what I say all the time with like Makeup Junkie Patti. And I believe the color is Rush to Whisper, if that'll focus. I'm not really familiar with this color, but there were some variations. So let's see. I love eyeliners. You guys complain about getting the Ico all the time, and I never care about that stuff. I absolutely love them. And you can hear it shaking in there, which is kind of cool. Here's the tip. It's very, very fine. Wow. Look at that. I can't get over how fine that goes in. You guys can see it? Wow. Now, I want to know what this color is, so that looks black. Is that black? It is black. I don't know. I'm like just drawing all over my arm. I think it's black. It's just not like a charcoal black. But I like these, so I'm not complaining. It says, when you look good, you feel good. Swipe on this fast drying ultra fine liner and watch your confidence soar. Colors will vary. Not mine, but that's fine too. Smith & Colt is the bomb so far, so I'm cool with that. Now check out these two next products, the last two. They are crazy. So this product was a really big deal. Remember how I said Dermstore always features like one really big, great deal thing? Well, actually, I think these last two products are, but this is the main event for me, which I'm really weird about because I think that these boxes, all subscriptions coordinate. I don't get it. This is the Lancer Studio Filter Pore Perfecting Primer. We just got a primer in BoxyCharm. Granted, this is way more money than the one we got in BoxyCharm. The one in BoxyCharm retails for $18, I believe. This retails on Dermstore for $58. It is their full size. I love Lancer. Absolutely love them. I love that they're just not featuring them once. They're giving us a chance to try a multitude of their products. So you really know, I feel like after some places, I'm afraid I'm going to cut myself. Hold on. All right, after trying to stab myself, like, on accident, I got the tape cut open. My high mirror likes to talk to itself. So it doesn't look really that big, but this is their full size. And it is in 30 mLs. Again, I told you guys, stuff like this lasts forever. I am super stoked about it. Never tried it before, and I love that they keep giving us Lancer products so we can really figure out if we like them or not. This is the product that I am like really, first of all, I was really excited to get Lancer, and I was looking forward to it all month. But this thing is absolutely blowing my mind. When I seen the spoiler for this, I was just like, what? Micro needle, lip plumping roller. Yeah, that's what it says. It is by Aura. it says full, plump, and smooth lips. So we're going to spend a little bit of time with this one because I want to explain to you what I see because I don't know nothing about stuff like this. On the paper, it says lip plumping roller. Roll your way to plumper, smoother lips. Pro tip, light pressure is all you need. And in parentheses, it says it's not supposed to hurt. This is what it looks like in the front. And that's a picture of it. And it says full, plump, and smooth lips in 1 minute a day. On the back, it has directions, which is going to be really fun for skincare Sunday. Yes, I am going to use this, and there's actual needles in it, which is kind of creepy. I did work in the medical field, so I'm not afraid as much as other people. It does say there's 180 needles, and it's 0.25 millimeter needle depth. I know some of you are like, what the hell? Okay, let me see. I want to read this for a second. Sorry, I want to read this for a second. Hold on. So I went ahead and slid it out of the box. It kind of reminds me of a shaver, like a razor. And it's in this plastic bag, which reminds me of working in the OR when we would throw everything in the autoclave. This was to sterilize it. It kind of looks like that if you guys know anything about the medical field. I wonder how many uses this gets out of it. Let's see. It says extremely fine needles gently penetrate the skin and help stimulate collagen and elastin production, which helps to result in smoother, firmer, and healthier skin and reduce the signs of aging. Helps to enhance the volume and plumpness of lips. I don't know. We definitely need to do something with this one up here. It also says, besides lips, roller can be used on small, narrow, and hard-to-reach facial and body areas that require precision. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and scars. I wonder if I can use that for these deep lines I have here. They are getting better, but you see I'm always doing this, and I feel like I just keep bringing them back. Helps increase. Helps increase. I was going to do it again. Oh, man. Helps increase the absorption and penetration of skincare products within the skin. Okie dokie. I wonder if you bleed from this because it's got needles in it. Pain-free with no side effects, can be used for numerous treatments. Microneedling therapy is proven and used by dermatologists and it's whatever, estheticians, whatever. I can never say that word ever. I'm not even going to try. I'm really amusing myself today with my unboxings. I don't know what is going on. If I've been just so sick that I'm bottling up all of this energy. I'm like, I love my channel and you guys. Seriously, you make me so much happier. So it says that it is proven and used by dermatologists and that other word that I don't know. Manufactured with cutting edge disc needle technology that produces the highest durability needles that remain effective over many treatments. Features 180 stainless steel needles with a 0.25 millimeter depth. Roller comes with a protective storage case. And like I said, it's manufactured by Aura. Their website is www.beautyora.com. I wonder if, let's get into it, because I wonder if this comes out and you have to like reorder new needles or something. So I'm going to show you guys what I see. It does come in a little container like I showed you, and it absolutely looks like a body razor, something we would use on our legs. When you take it out, there's this little wheel. I got to be careful how to touch it. I'm not going to do this until Sunday. I'm definitely going to show you guys this on Sunday. I am going to take up the dare because I really think my kids think I'm full of crap about doing it. Do you see the little, hold on, let's see if it'll focus. There's these super tiny microscopic needles on the end here. I don't know if you could see them or not. There you go. Can you see them little porcupine looking things on there? They're all around. I am going to do some more investigation on this so that when I do it on Skincare Sunday, I know more information, such as if this pops out and we can order new ones. And I'm really curious to know if I'm going to bleed with this. They are super duper tiny. So I was just daring enough to just glide my fingers over it like this. It is sharp. I'm not pushing any pressure on it, but it is sharp. I can feel it grabbing my skin. but I'm not putting enough pressure where it actually is penetrating my skin. It kind of reminds me of a cactus. But again, I didn't put any pressure on it, so I don't know. Anyway, you guys stay tuned for Skincare Sunday, and we will incorporate this and do a tester, I guess, or see how this works. Very excited to try something new. I will get in more information by then, and I will let you guys know everything that I find out before we even try it. Let me know what you think. I know I'm a little crazy even attempting to try this, but people get Botox done all the time, right? And those needles are way longer. This is really tiny, and if it's going to make a big difference on my top lip, which is my problem area for lips, then yeah, I'm willing to try it. I had to move my tripod because my battery's dying, so I had to plug it up. So now we're like up close. Sorry. But yeah, so I was saying, like, it says it could do lines. I think these are way deeper than what they would be able to help with. I was actually considering getting Botox for them. But since I always do this, I don't think that they're ever going to be able to fully go away. So you guys know on Skincare Sunday, if you're following me, I am doing products, and I feel like, and even with my High Mirror Plus, it's telling me that they are getting better. I just have to learn how to relax my face more, I think. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down below. You know I love everybody's comments, and I like to hear what you guys think. What do you think about Dermstore BeautyFIX? I am always pushing this box on you guys. I definitely think you should try it, especially if you're around 40 and up. But it's never too early. You're never too young to incorporate good skincare. So this is a good box for you to try. I'll always preach good skincare to you guys. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Hit that like button if you're new to my channel. Subscribe. We do monthly giveaways for active subscribers. There's details below in every video that I have regarding my monthly giveaways for the year of 2019. You have to be subscribed for 30 days or more to enter, or to be eligible. And then there's details on how to enter. Yeah, so subscribe, like, hit the notification bell if you want. And I have, I think, one more box to do. So I will see you guys again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.